Good evening, this is Andrew VK3CV with a supplementary demonstration of the 30 terahertz receiver system. Looking at a full moon this evening. There's a little tiny bit of light cloud around which is not in the path at the moment. And we're receiving a much larger signal than what we did in the previous test. Very large signal, up to about a 6 or 7. And I've got a terminal program connected to the diagnostics port out here this evening, and we're seeing a signal there that occasionally is hitting nearly 3.0 peak on that right hand reading, which is a significant signal. The actual data coming out of the Alexa sensor is the SENS reading, which is peaking at 37A3. We go right off it and we're sitting down 377 something. So that's a very good result. Camera's having a bit of trouble focusing. There we are. And again, we can quite clearly see the moonlight reflecting off the dish, and we get a peak in that indication when we pan across the moon. The other thing I've done this evening is I've fitted an inclinometer to the dish, and I was attempting to measure the beam width of the dish, which when I'm panning isn't able to be read on the inclinometer obviously, but the elevation is. So the elevation beam width appears to be something like 0.4 of a degree. So that's telling us that I believe the angle that the moon subtends in the sky is about 0.3 of a degree. I might be wrong there. So the beam width of the dish is actually smaller than the angle that the moon subtends in the sky. So that's working very nicely, and a very easily detectable result. Very easy to see where the moon is on 30 terahertz. Thank you very much for your interest.